Hello friends, in the series on income tax cases today we will discuss a very important case which is based on the power of the tribunal for rectifying its order under section 254 subsection 2. In the present case, the issue before the Honorable Supreme Court was that if the tribunal passes some order and after passing that order some judgment of the coordinate bench or some other bench comes, and on the basis of that judgment some miscellaneous application is filed with the tribunal, so whether in that case that miscellaneous application should be allowed on the basis of the subsequent judgments of the higher courts. This issue has been taken up by the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Income Tax Officer versus Infantry Securities and Facilities, and this case is reported in 187 taxman.com 46 and the date of the judgment is 2nd February 2026. In the present case, 143 subsection 1 intimation was issued to the assessee by disallowing the payment of the ESI and PF which was paid by the assessee after the due date in their respective acts but before the return filing dates. The disallowance was made before the checkmate decision. After that, the assessee filed rectification application under section 154 which was as usual rejected by the CPC or the assessing officer. The assessee filed the appeal against the intimation under section 143 subsection 1 which was partly allowed by the learned CIT appeal. The assessee filed the appeal before the ITAT that this disallowance cannot be made for ESI and PF late deposit which the tribunal allowed via its order dated 26th July 2022 which was before the very celebrated judgment in the case of checkmate decision. After that, the Honorable Supreme Court decided the matter in favor of the revenue. So the revenue was very optimistic by this decision and started filing the miscellaneous application even in those matters which was concluded by the tribunals. When the miscellaneous application by the revenue was filed in this matter, the tribunal allowed the miscellaneous application of the revenue and reversed its order. The assessee filed the appeal against the miscellaneous application order of the tribunal, and when the High Court heard the matter, the High Court said that the power of the tribunal under section 254 subsection 2, which is a rectification power, the High Court held that the rectificatory jurisdiction of the tribunal under section 254 subsection 2 is akin to review jurisdiction of the civil courts confined only for correcting the mistakes apparent from record. The court said that changing in law, subsequent decision of the coordinate benches or the larger benches or of the higher courts cannot be taken as a ground for review of orders by the tribunals. The court said that in the present case, the revenue has filed the miscellaneous application after a delay of 92 days without the application of condonation. The High Court said that in the present case, the order passed by the tribunal in the rectification application or the miscellaneous application filed by the revenue is not justified because the checkmate decision was not available on the date when the tribunal has passed the order. The revenue took this matter to the Supreme Court and even the Supreme Court dismissed the SLP of the revenue and said that in the present case, the miscellaneous application filed by the revenue is not as per the law because the order of the Honorable Supreme Court was not available on the date of the judgment by the tribunal. On the date of the judgment by the tribunal, the matter was very debatable. If the order had been available on the date of the decision by the tribunal, then in that case the miscellaneous application can be filed. The court also said that the tribunal do not have the power to condone the delay in respect of miscellaneous application. So on both the grounds, the SLP of the revenue was dismissed. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Income Tax Officers versus Infantry Security and Facilities, and this case is reported in 187 taxman.com 46 and the date of the judgment is 2nd February 2026. Thank you, friends.